Welcome to the Starchive How-To Auto Tags video. Find, manage, and share your media. Whenever you upload a file into Starchive, auto tags are generated. Starchive uses a powerful AI recognition software to analyze the pictures, videos, and documents you upload, and adds tags based on their content. For example, if I upload a picture of my dog, Starchive will automatically add tags like dog, pet, and even recognize that he's a pug. Like the tags created by users of your Starchive, clicking on an auto tag here will show every file that was given the same tag. Searches also include auto tags. When I search for dog, I will see the picture I just uploaded along with every other dog in my Starchive. Now let's check out the auto tag section. Here you will find every auto tag that has been generated, which you can view as a list or a grid. Clicking into one of these auto tags, like searching for a tag, will show you all the files that have been generated with that specific tag. And that's it for the Starchive how-to video. Create, find, share, repeat.